Before I get into the video, guys, I am doing a huge giveaway to people who like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll give you a couple of seconds to go ahead and do both of those, and let's get into the video. Yo, YouTube, welcome back to my channel. So many of you have been asking for an update on how to get TAZ's face in 2K26, and that's exactly what I'm going to show you in this tutorial. I've actually found a really easy method on a TAZ face glitch for 2K26. This actually uses a locker code, guys. So this is a secret locker code that you can use right now, and it is going to unlock the TAZ space. So before I show you how to do this, do make sure you like this video and go ahead and also subscribe to my channel, because I'm always creating updated NBA 2K26 tutorials. So let's not waste any more time, and let's show you guys how to get TAZ face glitch in 2K26, and this does take just a few minutes. So as you can see, you've got to use a mobile phone. Now, I'm using an iPhone. Apologies for my sweaty hands, but you can do this on Android as well. You just need to head on over to www.coldcoupons.com. So go ahead and follow along how I'm typing it here, guys. And basically, this website is awesome. I've used these previously for other things, but I noticed they actually added a NBA 2K26 TAZ face code. So you just got to search for the 2K26 locker codes page here. And as you can see, this is really popular. So go ahead and scroll down and look for this one, guys. This is a NBA 2K26 TAZ face unlock code. So this is literally a code, a locker code that you can redeem in your game, and it is going to unlock the TAZ face. So and this will stay on their account as well after patch. So this is working right now. Everyone can do this. Now you need to unlock your 2K26 code. This is because these are limited, and it stops people taking more than one code. So once you click this button here, you're going to see this page that tells you how to unlock your TAZ face 2K26 code. Now you need to complete 2 of the free Apple survey offers below. So as you can see, there is a list of apps and surveys here. These basically sponsor Cold Coupons. That's how they can give us these awesome 2K26 codes. These tasks are completely free. You just need to make sure you do read all of the instructions, complete 2 of them, and it will then send you back to this page, and your 2K26 code for the TAZ face glitch will be unlocked. You redeem it in-game, and that is how to get TAZ face in 2K26. That is working after patch, guys, working right now. So go to Cold Coupons. Let me know if you need any help or have any questions. Make sure you do like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next tutorial.